Hello, my name is Eric Crooks. I'm one of the founders of Drash, and today we're going to be talking about handling path params. Now, a path param is just a variable part of a URL. So if we go down here, we'll see that this is the URL, and we can store variables inside of that URL. So let's see this in practice. Over here, we're importing Drash. We have a resource that we're going to be creating soon. We have our server passing in our resource. We're going to run the server, and then we're going to give us some nice output. So, start the implementation. We'll define our paths, and these are the endpoints that we allow clients to use to target this resource. We'll go with my path, and this right here is just a simple URL. Doesn't take any path parameters, doesn't do anything fancy, and the point of this tutorial is to be able to use getPathParam on the request. So in order to do that, we'll add a variable, and there are two ways to do this. You can do a colon and name it, I don't know, animal, or you can do curly braces and store the variable in there, and we'll be able to parse these variables out. So I like using the curly braces, so we'll go with that. Actually, let's make this more romantic. We'll go with animals, and then we'll pass in an animal variable. All we need is a get request, or all we're going to be making is a get request. So we'll be adding our get handler here, and all we're going to do is pretty much just get path param and stored in the response. So we'll do const param value equals this.request.getPathParam, and our parameter name is animal. And if there is an animal, then we'll just store the animal name, and we'll return that response. Now we can start our server. And we can make a curl request. We'll go with tiger. We get tiger back. Go with lion. Lion back. Go with goat. That's pretty much it. Getting path params on the URL is pretty simple. Remember, you can use either the colon or the curly braces. That's it for me. See you next time.